Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video is on the best welding pants. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, meet QeeLink Welding Pants, the superhero cape for your legs. Made from thick split cowhide, tougher than your grandma's meatloaf. Heat and flame resistant because sparks fly but pants shouldn't. Split leg design means coverage from ankle to ambition. 3 lengths available, short, tall, or I weld in my sleep. Sewn with US Kevlar thread, so strong it could hold your life together. Tool pocket included. Finally, a home for that runaway wrench. Adjustable straps, because one size fits all is a myth. Not just for welding, BBQ, woodworking, gardening, superhero cosplay. Durability that laughs in the face of sparks and spatter. Ergonomic design keeps you comfy while you conquer metal. Industrial strength protection, but stylish enough for backyard grilling. Perfect for welders, DIY champs, and anyone who likes fire. If you're not satisfied, we'll refund you faster than sparks fly. QeeLink Welding Pants, because your legs deserve legendary protection. Try them now, your shins will thank you. Number 4, meet Weld heavy-duty split leather welding pants. Watch this, sparks fly, legs stay cool and safe. 2-layer cowhide blocks heat, flames, and splatter. Split leg design, move, crouch, bend, no restrictions. Adjustable buckles, perfect fit for men and women. Choose your length, M to XXXL, comfort for all. Not just welding, BBQ, woodworking, garage projects. From shop apron to grilling vest, one solution. Thick split cowhide means serious durability. Every stitch, every detail, built for tough jobs. No more changing gear for every task. Stay protected, stay comfortable, stay flexible. Ready for sparks, flames, and anything else. Upgrade your workwear, choose Weld today. Click now and protect what matters most. Number 3, leather welding apron split leg for men and women. Tired of burns and discomfort while welding? Meet the ultimate leather welding apron, built for real protection. Imagine working confidently in your busy workshop. 2-layer cowhide resists heat, flames, and sparks. Split leg design ensures flexibility and all-day comfort. Quick release buckles at waist and legs, easy adjustment for anyone. Reinforced with US Kevlar thread and rivets for extra durability. Flame retardant material keeps you safe in tough environments. 3 practical tool pockets keep essentials within reach. Choose from 3 sizes for full leg coverage and protection. Perfect for welding, forging, grilling, woodworking, and more. Ergonomic crossback straps disperse pressure, reduce fatigue. Upgrade your safety and efficiency. Work smarter, not harder. Protect yourself in your craft. Grab yours today. Number 2, BOCOMAL Men's FR Cargo Pant. Tired of work pants that can't keep up? Meet BOCOMAL Men's FR Cargo Pants. Built for safety. Imagine tackling tough jobs with peace of mind. Flame-resistant cotton tool protects against flash fire. Water and oil repellent, stay dry and clean all day. 7 spacious pockets keep your tools and phone secure. Elastic waistband ensures a relaxed, comfortable fit. Double needle stitching adds extra durability. UL certified NFPA 21112 Cat 2, trusted industrial protection. Pre-washed, pre-shrunk, and wrinkle-free, no shrinking after wash. Up to 100 washes. FR protection lasts and lasts. Ideal for welders, electricians, and construction pros. Soft, stylish, and tough. Perfect for every demanding job. Upgrade your workwear. Experience safety and comfort daily. Don't settle for less. Choose BOCOMAL FR Cargo Pants. Order now and elevate your workday performance. Number 1, FR Pants for Men Ripstop. Tired of work pants that can't keep up? Meet Vanlin's FR Pants, engineered for real protection. Perfect for welders, electricians, and outdoor adventurers. Stay safe with flame and water resistance every shift. Certified Cat 2 NFPA 21112 compliant for serious safety. ARC rating ATPV 8.2 Cal CM2 industry leading protection. Ripstop fabric resists scratches, wear, and fading. Water repellent finish keeps you dry all day long. Flexible, breathable, and comfortable for long hours. 9 spacious pockets for all your essential tools. From the job site to the outdoors, carry everything you need. FR protection lasts up to 100 washes, built to endure. Each pair includes a sample for your own FR test. Upgrade to pants designed for your toughest days. Choose Vanlins. Work safer, smarter, and more comfortably. Order now and experience next-level workwear protection. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching!